10 words a day for beginners. Good. Good. John is a good person. He has a good family. Sentence. Sentence. Can you make a short sentence? A sentence starts with a capital letter. Man. Man. He is the man who helped me. Sam is a good man. Think. Think. I think I am sick. What do you think about this? Say. Say. You can say anything. Say what you need to say. Great. Great. This is a great day. I feel great today. Where? Where? Where are you from? Where is your car? Help. Help. Please help me with my homework. Do you need any help? Through. Through. Air came in through the window. He just walked through the door. Much. Much. Thank you very much. How much is the computer?